everyone, my name is Enoch Vannunrempuia Khiangte and I am studying in classroom. My teacher name is Mr. Thupuiah. Today my topic is why I love my mother and father. Let's start. We are God's children. As we are the children of God, the responsibility of the child is to obey the commandments of the lover. Therefore, the answer to love is obedience. Similarly, our parents are the gods of the earth that we can see with our eyes. My parents teach me important things like kindness, honesty, faithfulness, loveliness, and respect. That's why I love my mother and father. They show me the right way to understand the meaning of life. They love me even when I make a mistake or do something wrong. They gave me good advice and forgive me and encourage me to do better. They love me unconditionally. They make me feel special and loved. That's why I love my mother and father. Lastly, why I love my mother and father? Because they always pray for me. I am so grateful for their love and care. That's why I love my mother and father. Thank you.